What's going on, party people? It's probably my third attempt at doing this intro, but Shelby here to give you another wild update into one of my adventures. I have lived in South Korea for almost a year and a half now, and I've been to a good amount of festivals, but let me tell you, if there's ever a Holi festival near you, go to it. Go. Sorry, I look kind of chubby. It is one of the best festivals I've ever been to. It is dirty, it is kind of smelly, kind of gross, but so much fun. So a little history, Holi Festival. An Indian festival, yes, okay. It's just a bunch of people that throw colors at each other. And it's very historical, supposed to represent love, life, happiness. It's supposed to really symbolize good over evil, which, beautiful. One of the speakers there was like, oh, I'm glad we're here, we can all just unite as one and throw colors at each other, and that is lit. So, if you are looking to see me and some friends throw some colors in the air and at each other, it's a great video to watch.
Yeah!
It kind of started off slow, and I was really worried because it was very cold. Just a couple people with paint on them, and we couldn't get in the water. I wanted to go swimming. Also, there was paint in my mouth and in my nose and my ears, and it was really gross, but it gets better. Also, it's important to note how clean we were at the beginning of this. Our white t-shirts had nothing on them. Just wait.
Like our beach, there's lots and lots of wonderful memories to be made. There's lots of delicious vegetables. Oh my god! I really joining us here today. Why did you open your mouth? I told you. I can't see. 매너로 축제를 즐겨주세요. Number 5. Festival participants, please hold it in their love and color and just everyone coming together. So let's look at the party and sing festival for everyone. Okay, happy Holi!
And what you just saw right there, people rubbing paint on your face and saying Happy Holi, was not uncommon. But weird for Americans, but not weird for them, I think. I don't know. Or weird for everyone, and we just played along.
He's so pink!
Pink is the most colorful.
Before we start this fantastic Holi Hai 2018 here on the beautiful Wanya Beach, I do have some announcements to make, just so that we all have a fun and fantastic. By the way, you're all very colorful. If you want to buy more colors,
I do want to buy more colors.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, do not smoke and drink in the festival areas, okay? This is a family-friendly festival. I see.
Okay, so if you're in the Navy, you know what a department head is. If you're not, the guy that we're about to throw paint all over, he's our bigger boss. Not our biggest boss, but our bigger boss. Yeah, he's really cool, but yeah, this shit's funny. And there you have it. That was my Holi Festival experience. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will subscribe and tune into my next travel video. Sorry, this video is so shaky. But have a great day, night, evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are.